a very warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana, Shri Manohar Lal ji. It is indeed a pleasure to welcome you all today for the inauguration of our new state-of-the-art corporate headquarters in Gurugram.
Hyundai may ensure wholesome development and creating unique platforms for knowledge transfers. I am certain these initiatives will help to create a mutually beneficial ecosystem of talent in Haryana. With its strong focus on creating a brighter tomorrow, Hyundai is leading with its futuristic technologies such as hydrogen fuel cell and electrical vehicles that are displayed here today. I must congratulate you and urge you to continue working in this direction to help create a cleaner and greener environment for all. I am certain that together we can and we will make this possible. Haryana, my dear friends, is a land of karma. Haryana remains the land of opportunities, enterprise, research, and innovation. It is counted among the most developed and industrialized states in India. To make the legacy forward and make Haryana land of another industrial revolution, number of reforms we have been unleashing, red tapeism has been replaced by red carpet, and industries are being provided facilitation in all possible way. Of this engagement, Korea is and will remain an important partner in the socio-economic growth of Haryana. It's a great pleasure to address you all today at the inauguration of Hyundai Motor India's new corporate headquarters in Gurgaon. At the outset, I trust you and your families are safe and healthy. I'd also like to extend my sincere congratulations to Hyundai for completing 25 years of excellence in India, and I wish them the very best for a bright and prosperous journey ahead in partnership with the evergreen state Haryana. Among all of you today, dear friends, our countries, that is India and South Korea, have traditionally been close to each other for centuries. The people of Indian subcontinent are quite familiar with the customs and beliefs of Korea even in antiquity. In recent years, India and South Korea relations have made great strides and have become truly multidimensional, spurred by a significant convergence of interests, mutual goodwill, and high-level exchanges. South Korea is an important trade and investment partner for India and a country of special focus for Haryana too. Yes, agro and food processing, healthcare and medical education, skill development, electronics, hardware manufacturing, textile and apparel, defense and aerospace, rapid mass transport, integrated aviation hub at Hisar, and many more. Recently, Haryana is witnessing plethora of expression of investments interests coming from South Korean companies. I seek your continued preference and investments for the state and assure you of all supports from my team. With these token of words, I would like to welcome you all to stay at your own Haryana. I welcome you to land of Haryana. Ali Anawi Tangi Kosin Goul Havan Yog Banida.